a superfood and we generally add a dash of it to most of the things that we cook in the South Indian cuisine. But today, we'll make a sweet dish that is made majorly out of coconut. Yes, I'm talking about the coconut barfi. Generally, coconut barfi freshly grated coconut से बनाई जाती है, but right now I'm out of those, तो मैं ये बनाने वाली हूँ desiccated coconut से। तो desiccated coconut को कम से कम आधे घंटे के लिए हमें गर्म दूध, हल्के गर्म दूध में भिगो के रखना पड़ता है। उसके बाद इसका टेक्सचर लगभग फ्रेश कोकोनट के जैसा हो जाता है। बर्फी बनाने की शुरुआत करते हैं। एक पैन में मैं लूँगी थोड़ा सा घी। घी मेल्ट होने पे मैं इसमें डालूंगी कोकोनट। इसको मैंने दूध में भिगो के रखा था। I'll gently toast it for around 3 to 4 minutes. दो से 3 मिनट हो चुके हैं। The coconut has started getting really nicely roasted. And I can already get the flavor. To this, I'll add some regular sugar. The moment you add sugar, turn the heat down. The chances of this getting burnt are higher once the sugar is added. अब इसे मुझे पकाना है करीब 20 से 25 मिनट के लिए, लगातार चलाते हुए। 20 से 25 मिनट के बाद शक्कर पूरी तरह से मेल्ट हो जाएगा and the coconut will start leaving the sides of the pan. फ्लेवर देने के लिए मैं इसमें डालती हूँ इलायची पाउडर, that's cardamom. It's been around 25 minutes and as you can see, the mixture has started separating from the pan. Another 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll apply some ghee to a plate. You can also use butter. You know, to make this recipe vegan, instead of adding ghee, you could add some coconut cream. I absolutely love the tropical vibe that the coconut brings in. All right, this mixture is ready. अब मैं इसको इस प्लेट में डाल के ठंडा होने के लिए छोड़ दूंगी। पूरी तरह से ठंडा होने के बाद मैं इसको बर्फी की तरह काट लूंगी। एक बात जो ध्यान रखने वाली है वो है ये कि इस मिक्सचर को ठंडा होने से पहले नहीं काटें। Using a spatula because right now the mixture is pretty hot. All right, it's flattened. You can obviously top it with some rose petals, dried fruits, anything of your choice, but I feel coconut is just good enough on its own. So I'm going to let this cool for another 20 minutes and then cut it into barfis and share and enjoy with my family.
Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Khullar. Together, we are going to make today oats and coconut laddus. Laddus आपको भी पसंद हैं और मुझे भी. But what I've done over here is try to find a way so that I can eat more than one and not feel as guilty about it. The solution? Oats or coconut ke laddus. The first thing we're going to do is cook the oats. अब oats तो डाल दिया है. अब इसके अंदर we're going to put some coconut milk. That's where we're going to get all that lovely coconut flavor from. Okay, now let's mix it around a bit. And we are going to add a little more water to this. Coconut जितना डालना था डाल दिया. And I'm going to put in some raisins now. और इसके बाद some lovely aromatic इलायची का पाउडर. और इसके बाद दालचीनी का पाउडर और cinnamon पाउडर. अब इसको हम थोड़ा सा मिक्स करेंगे. And then we'll put in some almonds. This needs a little more water, so मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा और पानी डालूंगा और इसको थोड़ा सा और कुक करेंगे. This smells really good. अब इसमें आमंड से पहले ना थोड़ा चीनी डाल देते हैं. After all, laddu supposed to be sweet, yes? अब हम इसको थोड़ी देर पकने देंगे. Okay, so now we need to cut these almonds into thin slivers. It is well done now. लेकिन एक बात और याद रखिएगा that the right consistency will come इसके ठंडे होने के बाद. इसलिए जब हल्का सा गीला है ना तो उसी समय आंच बंद करके उसको थोड़ा ठंडा होने दीजिए. Now my oats is cooked. It smells absolutely wonderful. और अब इसको कढ़ाई से निकालकर प्लेट में डालेंगे so that it can cool down a little bit. Cool होने के बाद step 2, make the laddus. Now I'm going to flatten this out slightly so that it cools a little faster. Time to roll the laddus. तो सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा desiccated या dried coconut powder हम इस प्लेट पे डालेंगे और इसके अंदर हम लड्डूस को रोल करेंगे after we have shaped them. And actually, you know what? I don't even think it needs to be perfect rounds. After all, these are handmade, aren't they? लगना भी तो चाहिए, हाथ से बनाया है. So there you go. We just made some lovely, delicious oats and coconut ke laddu. From a taste point of view, they're quite interesting because they've got that crunch coming from the almond. They've got sweetness. They've got a very different texture जो oats से आ रहा है, plus the little bits of chewiness coming in from the raisins. And from a health point of view, they're a little better than the normal ones. Because पहले तो they don't have as much ghee and fat as the traditional laddus use. Number 2, the kind of carbs that we're using in this are called slower carbs than we otherwise find in traditional laddus. And number 3, थोड़ा सा extra fiber है. Just go on ahead and have one more with me.